Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Shawna. If this is the first time here, please click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So today I will show you how I make my vegan Rasta pasta in olive oil. So stay tuned for this video. Here are some of the ingredients that I will be using. I have a pack of pasta and I will boil it according to the instruction. I have olive oil, I have red, green, yellow bell peppers because you know the Rasta color, red, green, and yellow. So we want it to reflect the colors of the Rastafarians. We have more green vegetables here. I have parsley and I also have local cilantro. And I have 3 cloves of garlic, a small carrot, I have purple onion, I have some Mrs. Dash, and of course Jamaican jerk seasoning. And this is mild, so you would want to use the amount that your taste bud can handle. So to get things started, I will cut the vegetables off screen and I will put the pasta to boil according to the instructions. So the skillet is now on. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Chop my seasoning. I have bell peppers, green, yellow, red. And remember, we're trying to replicate the Rastafarian colors. Yellow, red, green are the colors of Rastafarian. Cilantro, garlic, purple onions. You can also check the description box down below. I put the quantity of the ingredients in there. I sauteed this for 2 to 3 minutes. I want the vegetables to have some crunch. Add 1 tablespoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning. And you'll add the amount that you can handle because some people like real spicy, some don't. So if you want to add more, you can add more. If you want to add less, or if you don't want to add any at all, you can also do that. I also add 1 teaspoon Mrs. Dash, and this is the original flavor. 1 teaspoon Mrs. Dash. I add my shredded carrots for more colors, and I just combined. Guys, it smells so good, so good. So it's now time to add my pasta. So I drained it. I'll now add it to the pot. I will also add 1/4 cup of the pasta water, the water that I drained from it, and I'll combine everything together. Guys, I have some parsley. I will just garnish it with some parsley that I chopped. So there you have my Jamaican Rasta pasta, guys. So this is a very simple recipe, lunch, dinner idea. Please try this recipe, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all of you, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for sharing. Have a blessed day and a blessed week. And do come back for more and more plant-based recipes. So see you. Do enjoy. Always remember, your health is your wealth.